Oh, para akong may pet dito ah. Oh, come on, let's take a walk. Come on, sumama ako dito. Let's take a walk. Woo! Ganda ng active track. Nade-detect niya oh. Come here, come here. Okay guys, this is our first time na magpalipad nito. Actually, last weekend pumunta kami ng Bangkong Kahoy at dinala ko to. Tapos that was my first attempt to practice flying, no. And then one thing I learned, pag bukas mo pala nito, it needs firmware update both for the RC controller and the drone itself. Eh walang internet connection doon, so useless. Hindi ako nakapagpalipad. Tomorrow, meron kaming i-shoot na launching na isang, a new model ng car. And I want to try the drone. That would be my very first attempt on shooting a car. Remember, that's my number one reason for buying this drone is to be able to, take aerial shot of vehicles, yung mga cars na nire-review namin, and specifically makagawa ng mga active tracking para, habang nagda-drive, tumatakbo, nasusundan. So that's exactly what I want to practice today, apart from the very basic flying, like, taking off, landing, and then how to maneuver, getting well acquainted with the controller. So very basic. So one very basic thing I learned is how to turn this on, double press, 1, 2, long press yung second press mo. Ayan. And wait for it to boot up. Same thing with the drone. All right. And another thing I learned, just watching other videos, other vloggers, these antenna should be facing the drone. This side. This is the strongest. Not this. Okay. So, ganyan siya. So, if the drone goes really up high, igaganyan mo. So, this side ang strongest. With the kind of testing that I want to do today, it's almost irrelevant because we're not flying really high. Dito lang tayo, baka mga 20 feet lang at the most. So, take off. Start
Take
lang.
off.
Start lang pala yon. So, running na yung drone. To take off is to push this upward or wala na. Wala na yung option to take off kasi napindot ko na. Tumatakbo na siya. So, going up na lang. There you go.
Home point updated.
Home point updated. Hi, hi, hi. There you go. We are, altitude is 6.1 meters. I want to do active tracking. So, track, focus track enabled. And then I'll draw a square here. Andun na siya sa front. I'll start recording. And let's see if it follows me. Ayan, sumusunod na siya. I hope you guys can see it. I'm also using DJI tracking. So you guys are tracking me while the drone is tracking me. Nakakatuwa. So, 5.5 meters. Tingnan natin yung obstacle avoidance niya, no? So, ayan. Ayan, obstructed ako. Ooh. Obstructed ako ng leaves. He went down. Ang galing! So, hinahanap niya ako. Galing, oh. Bumaba siya kasi hindi ako makita with the leaves. Alam niya. Kaaliw. So, I want to bring him up again. Ayun. Move forward. Closer. Closer. Nice! Okay, let's stop. Stop recording. Now, stop the tracking. What I want to do is for him to track me and move to my left. So, pretending that I am the car. Paano ba to? What's all this noise? Tot. Tingnan natin. So, active track ulit. Track. And then, Draw a square or a rectangle. Make it move to my left. Start recording. Nice. Ayan oh. So, if I want to move,
Obstacle detected. Aircraft will temporarily pause flight to set direction.
ooh, galing. Come on, follow me. Follow me, follow me. Galing. So now, he is behind me. Move to my right.
Obstacle detected. Aircraft will temporarily pause flight to set direction.
Galing! Na-sense niya. Galing. Ito yun eh. This is the main reason why I bought this model para accurate yung obstacle ano niya, avoidance. Otherwise, na-crash ko na to kanina pa. Nice. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. And then lower and closer. Closer to me. Lower. Closer. Lower. Closer. Hola. Lower. Forward. Closer to me. Kaya mo pa ba lumapit sa akin? Ayaw na. He won't move. Nadedetect niya na ako. If I move closer, is he gonna back out? Step back. Step back. Galing. Okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, para akong may pet dito ah. Oh, come on. Let's take a walk. Come on. Samama ako dito. Let's take a walk. Ayan. Let's take a walk. Woo! Ganda ng active track. Nade-detect niya, oh. Come here, come here. Come on. Galing. Para akong bata dito, naaliw sa laruan. Come on, let's go. Woohoo! Tapos, I want him to move to my left side. Come on. Move to my left. Kasi open dito eh. Move here. Move here. Dito. I said here. My front.
Obstacle detected. Aircraft will temporarily pause flight to set direction.
Galing oh. Pero di ko siya napapamove sa right. Okay, go. Go. Ayaw na niya. Kasi nag-stop. Move to the right. Ayan, tsaka lang siya nag-move. Kasi nag-stop na pala siya kanina.
Aircraft will temporarily pause flight to set direction.
Ayan, nice. Okay, balik na tayo. Baka hindi na nare-record nung Osmo Pocket 3 yung audio natin. Very aggressive siya pag hindi na niya ako makita because of the leaves. Alam niya agad kung saan siya puposition. It's gonna go down. Magugulat ka kasi biglang "Whoa!" Okay, come closer. Come closer, baby. Come to daddy. Woo, ang lapit niya na sa mga dahon. Okay, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Okay, follow me. Behind me. Behind me.
Obstacle detected. Aircraft will temporarily pause
Ang
flight to set
galing.
direction.
Umiikot siya, oh. Ang galing. Oh, ayan na, ayan na. Oh, ayan na. Ayan, difficult to. Ala,
Subject
siya na.
lost. Focus track disabled.
Ayan na. Hindi na niya makita. Come here. Where are you? Okay. Ayun. Move forward. Lower. And then forward. To the left. Uy, marunong na ako mag-maneuver. Lumabas ka na, bossing. Asa na siya? Ayun. May obstruction. Okay. Ayan. And we are back. Ayan na. Hey, I'm here. I'm here. Ikaw naman ang naligaw. Oh. Ayan na siya. Come down, come down, come down. Okay, land na tayo. Let's land. Pahinga ka na muna. Baka nag-overheat ka na.
Landing.
Landing. Woohoo! Nice, nice.
Obstacle sensing unavailable.
Okay, so ganda ng first experience natin. That's active tracking. Pati si Osmo, pati ikaw, naligaw ka eh. Hindi mo na kami nasundan eh. Okay, next time naman. Pagpahingayin ko lang to muna guys. Mainit na. Alright, so next session naman, abangan nyo.
Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.